Hey YouTube, I'm Technically Jeff and I'm so excited to do my first giveaway for you guys. So this channel has experienced significant growth over the past few months and I can't thank you guys enough. We're now closing in on 1,000 subscribers, which is just incredible. So as a way to say thank you, I've actually partnered with Nature's Generator to be able to provide you guys the opportunity to win a free power transfer kit, which allows you to power your home in the event of a power outage using your EV without having to run extension cords or things like that. So I did a few videos on the power transfer kit, how it works, testing it out, things like that. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, check them out. I'll post a link to that playlist in the description for you guys as well. But basically it allows you to power circuits in your electrical panel directly using your EV in the event of a power outage, just by plugging it into your vehicle. So you don't have to run extension cords through your home anymore. You don't have to move your fridge, set up lamps, things like that. It's very easy to use and install is pretty simple and inexpensive. So you don't have to worry about paying an arm and a leg to an electrician. Personally, I'm really excited to have the power transfer kit at my house because I lost power for 4 days last winter and it was awful. And with the kit, I'm able to power the lights in many rooms in my house, the internet, refrigerator, TVs, and since I have gas heat, I can power my furnace for heat. And with everything on at the same time, I was only pulling 1.3 kilowatts, which is well below the 1.9 kilowatt limit for the EGMP vehicles, the Kia EV6, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Genesis GV60. It's also less than the 1.5 kilowatt limit for Rivians and well below the 2.4 kilowatt base limit for the Lightnings. So I'm going to run the contest for the month of October. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video with what you're excited to be able to power in your home with a kit if you win. On November 1st, I'll do a random drawing using a randomizer program to select the winner and announce it here on YouTube. Then I'll get that person's contact info and the power transfer kit will be shipped directly to them. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions on the contest or on the power transfer kit itself. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. I'm excited for the future of this channel, excited to do a lot more giveaways for you guys. So thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.